Orchids wilted after flowering season. Let's magically revive them. Today, we will explore together how to replant and restore orchids after flowering, when the plants have entered the stage of decline and look withered, to turn them back to green, healthy, and prepare for the next brilliant flowering season. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. There, you can see the leaves have been attacked by bacteria and mold, appearing rotten, black, and soft. In this case, do not rush to throw away the plant. The orchid can still be saved if we handle it properly. Leaves that are rotten like this, we must remove them immediately. Remove them cleanly to avoid spreading. Inside the lesions often contain a lot of fungi and bacteria. If not treated early, they will eat from the base of the orchid and spread upwards, causing the plant to weaken very quickly. What country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. After removing the diseased leaves, we will begin the treatment and repair process, helping the plant to recover its vitality and prevent bacteria and mold from continuing to attack. In the next part, we will remove all the old substrate because the roots below have been almost completely damaged. What orchid species are you growing? Please comment below so I can build an in-depth care guide video, specifically tailored to the characteristics and needs of that orchid species. Look here, these roots have been eaten away by bacteria and mold, are completely bare and have no ability to recover. This old substrate contains a lot of pathogens, so absolutely do not reuse it. The flower stalk has also withered, the plant is shriveled, and no longer has the strength to nourish the flowers, so we will also remove the flower stalk. Now, we will remove all the damaged substrate, remove all the substrate around the base. When removing the substrate, you will see that most of the roots are dead, turning brown, black, and mushy. These roots are eaten from the inside out by fungi and bacteria, so we must trim them clean, keeping only the strongest parts. At this point, the base below is completely damaged. There is no way to save the old root system. Then, we will cut off all the rotten roots below, keeping only the living tip. After trimming cleanly, this delicious part will be the place to revive the orchid to help them quickly grow new young roots. The old substrate and damaged roots will be destroyed far away, to avoid spreading pathogens to other orchid pots in the garden. In the next part, we will take the plant outside and start cleaning the entire orchid. After trimming the damaged roots and removing the old substrate, the important step now is to wash the plant with clean water. Gently rinse the stem and leaves to completely wash away dirt, impurities, and any remaining mold. This helps the plant to breathe, clean the surface, and minimize the remaining pathogens. Thus, we have completed the cleaning step for the orchid. In the next part, we will start preparing the orchid recovery fertilizer, and today's ingredient is fresh aloe vera leaves that I just cut right in the garden. Aloe vera is a natural ingredient that contains a lot of vitamin C, minerals, and tissue regeneration compounds, helping orchids to quickly stimulate roots, recover strongly, and bounce back to life. Now, we will cut the aloe vera flesh into thin slices to easily dissolve and release nutrients. During the process of soaking or watering the orchid, so we have finished slicing the aloe vera, cut it into small neat slices to prepare for the next step of mixing nutrients. For the next part, we will prepare a clean container. Then, we put all the aloe vera sap that we just sliced into the container. Once we have enough, we continue to move on to the next step in the care process. For the next part, we will put cinnamon powder into the container. Cinnamon powder has very strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to stimulate orchids to quickly revive and restore roots very well. We take a spoonful of cinnamon powder, then pour it into the aloe vera mixture. Next, we will add 500 milliliters of hot water, freshly prepared boiling water, to help the active ingredients in the cinnamon powder to be activated and completely dissolved. Then, we will stir well to completely blend the cinnamon powder and aloe vera. The nutrients will dissolve and activate most strongly. Next, we cover the lid, then use a clean towel to incubate the mixture. After incubating, we put the barrel in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. And after 3 hours, the mixture will reach a light fermentation level and we can use it for the orchid. Next, after 3 hours of incubation, our cinnamon water has completely cooled. The nutrients from cinnamon powder and aloe vera have penetrated and dissolved evenly into the water. Now we will open the lid, stir gently again to mix well. Then, we prepare a container of water and a filter. Then filter out all the residue to get the clearest essence water to use for orchids. Next, we knead and squeeze out the aloe vera pulp and cinnamon powder to get all the most precious nutrient juice. Once squeezed, we throw away the residue. Thus, we have obtained a jar of pure nutrient juice, ready to care for and revive the orchid. For each subsequent part, we will pour in 500 milliliters of clean filtered water. Then, we stir well to completely mix the cinnamon water and aloe vera. Once dissolved, this mixture is ready to use to care for the orchid, helping the roots to revive and the leaves to grow healthily. For the next part, we will take out a cup and pour in the cinnamon aloe vera nutrient water. Then, we will take out the orchid plant and prepare a soft cotton pad, soak it in this nutrient mixture. We will wipe the top of the leaves, helping to remove dirt and mold, and also wipe the underside of the leaves to kill hidden bacteria and mold. Once the leaves and stems are clean, we will put the orchid root in the bucket. Submerge the roots in the cinnamon aloe vera water and soak for 30 minutes. This method helps stimulate root regeneration, antibacterial, and promote strong plant growth. After 30 minutes, the orchid has fully absorbed the nutrients, helping the roots to revive and become healthy. After that, we will put the plant in a pot or planting place, preparing for the next care steps. In the next part, we will prepare the container and foam to make a base for the orchid or flower arrangement. First, place the foam on the bottom of the pot and print the shape along the bottom of the pot, creating an exact circle. Then, cut along the circle just marked to fit the bottom of the pot. Next, we will roll and place the foam on the bottom, then proceed to insert the flower or orchid into the prepared position. Thus, the foam has been placed firmly and is ready to hold the plant stable. Next, we will place our orchid into the container. Place the base of the plant down, making sure the roots and orchid base are stable on the bottom of the container. Now the plant is firmly placed, ready for the next steps of care. In the next part, we will prepare filtered water to water the orchid. Use a bottle of filtered water and pour it into the container just enough to moisten the plant, just enough to cover the bottom, right under the foam layer, so that the water will penetrate the foam and the base of the orchid, helping the plant to always stay moist and grow healthily. Then, cover the lid of the container but leave a hole for oxygen to circulate. Use a small piece of tape to fix the lid, both to keep it moist and to prevent mold and insects from entering. During the care process, check the water in the container every 3 to 5 days. If it is low, add more and spray a light mist on the orchid leaves to ensure the plant is always fresh and grows strongly. Finally, place the container outside in the garden, in a shady, airy place with gentle light, so that the orchid can continue to photosynthesize and grow healthily. So, after 3 weeks of care, our land has revived very well. 3 weeks later, the plant has begun to develop new roots. The leaves have become lush and green. As you can see, the roots have emerged healthy, straight and beautiful, proving that the plant is completely reviving. With enthusiastic, dedicated and meticulous care, our land has entered a stage of beautiful root development with shiny and fresh green leaves. Next, we will remove the plant, place it in a suitable location and continue to care for it, so that the plant continues to grow strongly, with new roots and leaves, proving that even though the plant seems to be discarded, with proper care, the land can still be completely revived. In the next part, we will remove the orchid and plant it in a pot with drainage holes. First, prepare the growing medium with pine bark. At the bottom of the pot, we will place a thin layer of foam to help with drainage, then put large pine bark underneath to create a solid base for the plant to grow. Thus, the orchid will be planted in a ventilated, well-drained, growing medium, helping the roots to grow healthily and absorb nutrients optimally. For the next part, we will take a plastic-coated metal bar, about 40 centimeters long, then split it in half and bend it into shape. Next, we will insert this metal bar into the pot to support the plant. Then, place the orchid in the pot, making sure the roots are strong and naturally straight. For the next part, we will take a layer of moss to retain moisture and place it at the bottom of the pot. The purpose is to support the orchid roots, avoid scratches and protect the healthy roots. Next, use a butterfly clip to hold the orchid plant firmly, not to fall, helping the plant to be stable in the pot. Then, add a layer of moss to retain moisture on top, creating a good environment for the orchid roots to grow strongly. Before planting, the pine bark substrate has been sterilized cleanly, ensuring ventilation and safety for the plant. So we have finished planting a sturdy, beautiful orchid pot. Next, we will proceed to water the base, helping the plant to be nourished and grow healthily. There, we have finished planting an orchid. Next, we will leave the plant outside in a cool, airy place with gentle light, helping the orchid roots to stabilize after planting. After about a day, when the roots have gotten used to the environment, we will continue to take care of the plant so that it can grow healthily and thrive. A day later, we will put the orchid in and start taking care of it. The roots of the plant are now stable, so we will take good care of it, ensuring that the plant is nourished and grows healthily. Next, we will take care of the orchid by using the nutrient water from Aloe Vera. Next, we prepare a clean container and pour the filtered aloe vera water into it. So we have a nutrient water container ready to take care of the orchid. Next, we will add vitamin B1 nutrients to the orchid. Take 3 B1 tablets, then drop them into the aloe nutrient water tank. Next, stir well to completely dissolve B1 in the water, ensuring the nutrients are evenly distributed. After stirring, the B1 nutrient water tank is ready to use to care for the orchid, helping the plant to stimulate root growth and grow quickly. Next, we will prepare a bottle to spray nutrients for the orchid. We take a bottle and pour in the B1 nutrient solution combined with aloe vera. Then, spray evenly on the entire orchid plant, especially on the leaf axils, so that the nutrients penetrate directly into the plant cells, helping the leaves to be smooth and green, the roots to grow long and strong. Once finished spraying, continue to water the base and roots of the orchid plant, ensuring that the plant is fully nourished from the base to the top, helping the plant to grow healthily and root evenly. Water the roots of the orchid, helping the plant absorb nutrients comprehensively, grow and develop strongly. After watering, soak the pot for about 20 minutes, then lift the plant out. During this period, we leave the plant in the garden in a ventilated place with lots of soft light, so that the plant can photosynthesize, metabolize, and grow healthily. Every 2 weeks we provide nutrients and fertilizer for the plant. On normal days, every 3 days we spray mist on the leaves and moisten the dry substrate, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients from the roots effectively. Then, move the plant to the garden in a ventilated place with lots of indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight, so that the plant can grow green, smooth leaves and healthy roots. So after a month of persistent care, our land has grown strongly and grown very well. The leaves are thick, shiny and sturdy, showing the healthy vitality of the plant. Next, a beautiful new shoot has emerged, signaling that the plant is about to flower and grow steadily. Thus, with the right care method, the land will grow effectively and be exceptionally healthy. Our orchid is very healthy. The leaves are shiny, clean, thick and sturdy. Even the red core inside has clearly developed, showing full vitality. When checking the roots have sprouted up to the top of the pot, growing healthily and developing evenly. Look at this. The leaves and roots have grown evenly. The roots are strong. The leaves are smooth and green, proving that the plant is ready for strong growth. With proper care, the plant will cover the whole garden with a lush green color and bloom all year round, bringing a vibrant flower season. I hope this video will help you take better care of your orchids at home. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips.